What's up, world? Scott's the Cane, House of Sticks channel. We're on the move this morning, and I wanted to talk to you guys about finding your passion in your job and trying to make it into a business. So first things first, I think what's really important to be said here is finding your passion is talked about a lot. You know, people say, oh, follow your heart, follow your dreams, do all that stuff. I'm not a big believer of following your dreams. I think your dreams need to be rooted in reality. If I really had a dream of being an astronaut, at this point I'm a little too old to make that happen. So obviously I want to be realistic about my dreams. Now, I think dreams are good for everybody. If you have a dream to play in the NFL or be a Major League Baseball player, by golly, go for it. But at the same time, don't pretend like you're going to be able to do something that you're just not going to be able to do. At the end of the day, things that you really want to do are really based around your talent. I would say that the number one thing to really think about is are your talents and your dreams matching up? If you really want to do something badly enough, hopefully you're good at it. Hopefully we're not talking about trying to get you to do something that you're just really bad at doing. You don't want to go try to do something you're not good at, because if you're probably good at it, you probably have a natural bent, a natural talent, and you've spent some time doing it already. To get back on the idea of passion and what you guys want to do, really find something you're good at, love it, all about it, and do something great. Man, all sorts of questions you guys have, ask in the comments. Let me know what you feel, what you think, what you want to know. I would love to be able to help. So anyway, God bless you. I'm out.